Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So you want to relive the classic project IGI but keep running into crashes, black screens or weird errors on Windows 7, 8, 10 or even 11. So don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download, install and fix project IGI so it runs perfectly on modern Windows. Smooth, stable and ready to play. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important fixes. Before we jump into installation, let's talk about why Project IGI is still such a fan favorite. Released back in 2000, it was one of the first FPS games with huge open levels, realistic weapons, and stealth based gameplay. From those intense shootouts to the unforgettable soundtrack, this game defined early PC gaming for so many of us. Alright, let's get into the point. First thing first, make sure you have the original Project IGI game. If you have got the old CD, that's perfect. If not, you can grab a legal copy from trusted platforms like Steam, Amazon, or eBay. Just make sure it's from the verified sellers. So now, if your game is in a compressed format like .rar or .iso, ensure it's a personal backup of your original disk. So right click on the file and select extract to IGI using WinRAR or 7-zip. Wait for the extraction to finish. It usually takes a minute or two. Once extraction is done, open the folder and double click on the setup.exe or game file to begin installation. Follow the prompts and once it's installed, don't launch it yet. We will first fix a few compatibility settings to make it run smoothly on modern systems. So now you need to right click on the IGI game shortcut or the main.exe file. So go to properties, then compatibility tab, check run this program in compatibility mode and choose Windows XP. Then also check run this program as administrator. Click apply and OK. This simple tweak fixes most crashes, freezes and black screen issues. To make sure the game runs perfectly, install DirectX 9 or 10 from Microsoft official website. I've added the link in the description. Open the setup, accept the agreement, click next and wait for it to install. Once it's done, hit finish. You are now ready to launch. Alright, it's time to dive in. Double click the IGI icon and start your mission. Here are some of the game's standout features: stealth based gameplay, sneak through enemy bases, disable cameras and avoid alarms. If you use iconic guns like the Dragunov Sniper or MP5 silenced SMG, then these are realistic weapons. And massive open-ended missions means explore huge maps and plans your attacks strategically. And that's it. Your project IGI is now running perfectly on Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.